Here's the British Military No. 12 vehicle stove with its standard configuration, a flame plate, burning kerosene, because that's what they burn. It's a pretty loud stove, and if you'd like to make it quiet, I have a product that I'm revealing in this video. The stove that you have should run like the one you see in these video clips. And this stove you see in these video clips is running on the supplied jet that came with the stove. Way back in 2013, I hand-produced caps called Top Dawg caps that were made from tubing and sheet. This is one of them on the right. It has over 400 holes drilled by hand in each of the caps I made. I only made 8 of them. Now the one on the left is the new 3D version of the Top Dawg cap design. The 3D printed version is a faithful reproduction of the original Top Dawg cap design. But how well does it work? Let's take a look. "3D printing is charged by the amount of material that is in an object. Unfortunately, the Top Dawg 3D cap has a lot of material in it, and it means it's pretty expensive. However, if you don't like the loud sound from your British Military No. 12, perhaps this would be of interest to you. If you're interested in this silent damper cap for the British Military No. 12 vehicle stove, you can find a link in the description box below. I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching. Please like, and subscribe.